The Auralis detected a cold shape above the dayside of 55 Cancri. It was suspended over a magma ocean. It returned almost no heat. Only after the absence repeated did the scans settle on the known world beneath it. 55 Cancri E is a real super-Earth orbiting the star 55 Cancri, about 41 light-years from Earth. It is almost twice Earth's radius, nearly 8 times its mass, and it completes a year in less than 18 hours. At that distance from its star, the planet is not gentle rock. The available data points toward a surface under extreme heat, likely molten, with Webb observations suggesting a possible volatile-rich atmosphere above a magma ocean. From orbit, the dayside burned in white-gold glare, and deep molten orange-black crust moved like cooling skin across the lava fields. A thin carbon haze drifted above the surface, bright at the edges, dark where the heat became too intense to measure cleanly. The first scan suggested a world of pressure, vapor, and liquid stone. Then one region went silent. Above the brightest part of the magma ocean, Auralis found a black suspended form. It did not glow, it did not scatter light, it did not move with the haze. The surface beneath it dimmed into a clean shadow, but the object itself was colder than the night side. Auralis named it the Cinder Mirror. No signal came from it, no language, no structure that could be safely called artificial, only an absence with shape, hanging over a world built from fire. Closer observation failed inside the glare. The star-facing hemisphere flooded the instruments with heat, and the black form returned almost nothing. Its edge stayed sharp, its center stayed cold. No surface descent was authorized. No origin was assigned. For now, we do not land, we listen. The Cinder Mirror remains above the burning world. The full transmission is preserved in the Auralis archive.